Hello and welcome to another video. We will explore the topic, what would happen if everyone would speak their mind directly, without any ambiguity. If everyone said exactly what was on their mind in social interactions, it could lead to a range of outcomes, both positive and negative. On the positive side, direct communication could result in more honesty and authenticity in relationships. People would be able to express their thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment or rejection, which could lead to deeper connections and greater trust between individuals. However, direct communication could also lead to a lot of conflict and hurt feelings. People may say things impulsively without considering the impact of their words, leading to misunderstandings and hurtful remarks. It could also lead to social isolation as people may not feel comfortable being around others who are constantly speaking their minds, especially if their thoughts are negative or critical. Overall, social interactions would likely become more complex if everyone said exactly what was on their mind. It would require a high degree of emotional intelligence and self-awareness to navigate such interactions in a way that is both honest and considerate of others' feelings. In some cultures, direct communication is highly valued, while in others, indirect communication is preferred. Social norms and expectations can vary widely between different groups, and what is considered appropriate to say out loud may differ depending on the context. If everyone suddenly started speaking their minds, it could challenge these norms and create tension in some social circles. Even if people were to speak their minds directly, how they do so can greatly impact the outcome of the interaction. If someone is blunt, dismissive, or aggressive, it can be perceived as hurtful or disrespectful. On the other hand, if someone is tactful, respectful, and empathetic, it can lead to a more productive conversation. Direct communication requires emotional regulation, which is the ability to manage one's own emotions and respond appropriately to the emotions of others. If everyone were to speak their minds directly, it would require a high level of emotional intelligence to regulate one's emotions and respond to others' emotions, in a way that is productive and respectful. Direct communication can lead to a greater sense of intimacy and trust between individuals. When people feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment or rejection, it can deepen the connection between them. This can be especially true in close relationships such as friendships or romantic partnerships. Direct communication can also lead to conflict and discomfort. If someone were to express a negative thought or feeling without considering the impact on others, it could create tension and hurt feelings. It could also lead to uncomfortable conversations that people may not be prepared to have. While direct communication can have its benefits, it also requires a great deal of emotional intelligence, self-awareness, and consideration for others. If everyone were to speak their minds directly, it would likely result in more complex social interactions that require careful navigation to maintain positive relationships. If everyone suddenly started speaking their minds directly, it could challenge these cultural and social norms, which could lead to tension and conflict. In short, cultural and social norms play a significant role in shaping our communication styles, and any sudden change in these norms could create tension and conflict in social interactions. If everyone were to speak their minds directly, it would be important to consider these norms and expectations and adjust our communication styles accordingly. Thank you for watching and listening.